What's up, guys? So I'm back today with a new helicopter. This is a small one, but it's awesome. I'm impressed. It's the Wltoys V977, and it is a collective pitch helicopter, but it also offers a feature where it has a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, so it auto levels and it flies just beautiful in that mode. It's great for somebody moving up from a fixed pitch like the V912 to this one. Then you can also switch it over to the advanced mode, the 3D mode, which is just like a normal collective pitch helicopter. So this thing's pretty amazing. I flew it a couple times already. I got it really cheap. Comes with an awesome transmitter, and it's ready to fly. So just to show you how stable this is, I'm going to take it back here through this little trail through the woods with all kinds of trees and just walk with it and show you. Alright guys, we're going to start out in, I'm just going to use the 6-axis mode. So you hit this button right here for the 6-axis, and there's a light here that'll be solid if it's in 6-axis mode, and it'll be flashing if it's in 3D normal flight mode for collective pitch. So let's go ahead and plug it in, sit it down so it initializes the gyros. Okay, now you do have your throttle hold, which it's on right now, and idle up, which doesn't work in the it doesn't work in the 6-axis mode, but when you go into 3D, your idle up works and your throttle hold as well. But your throttle hold will work in the 6-axis mode also. So let's do it. All right. All right, we're just gonna walk back through here. Very stable, very stable. I mean, it's amazing how stable this is in the 6-axis mode. Look at this thing. I'm just walking right along with it, and it's pretty tight back here. I mean, this wide angle lens might make it look like it's not. Even the when you spin around with it, it's very very stable. All right. Very fun, very powerful. Definitely a step up from the V912 if you guys have already had that one. Look at this. I mean, just an awesome little flyer. I've heard some good things about it actually, and I've been wanting to try it, and I never did. So I finally seen they were on sale at Hobby King for like 65 bucks, ready to fly. So pick one up, and I'm impressed. I'm gonna take it out here in this field and I'll let it loose. Trying to give you a good view of it because it's so small, keeping it close to me. All right, now let's let it loose. Show you what this thing has. She's got some power. Very stable. Look at this thing. Awesome. They fly so good. Check that out. Very fun, man. I love it. Now, if you want to go 3D, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to destroy it already, but this would be a great trainer for 3D. All you got to do is hit the one button on the transmitter, and you're ready for 3D, man. So beautiful. Love it. Woo! Oh man, such a fun little flyer, man. Definitely a step up from the V912, more power. It's got a constant head speed, so basically your pitch, what makes it go up and down, is controlled by the pitch of the blades. So said it keeps a constant head speed pretty much, and it's just sweet. It's got some speed. It's got some power, for sure. Do some circles here. Love it. Absolutely love the little thing, man. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that flight of my new Wltoys V977, and definitely recommend this thing as a step up from intermediate to somewhat advanced, because like I said, this is an advanced helicopter, but it has the mode so you can fly it as a intermediate helicopter. I love it. So, oh, battery's dead. No. Oh. All right, guys. Till next time. The RC Element out.